Good afternoon, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. I've got another unboxing for you. I've wanted to pick up this watch for a long time. Please smash that like button and please hit the subscribe button. Wristwatch check, I've got the Felida GMT homage to the Seamaster GMT. Absolute beautiful bracelet, beautiful watch. You can pick this up, there's a link down below. It's an affiliate link. This is a fantastic watch. It's a great alternative to a 3-link bracelet. It is super comfortable and it looks great. Right, let's have a look here what I've got. Oh, Pagani design. Let's have a little toot. Ta-da! Wow, that is stunning. That is stunning. The two-tone sub homage. I had to get it in two-tone with the polished center links. I had to do it because I just thought it would look so amazing. The real Submariner that Rolex do in two-tone is one of my favourite watches. In fact, it probably is my favourite all-time watch. I do like it in blue and gold better, but with Pagani's blue and gold, the way they've done the blue, unfortunately with Pagani it is too purple for my liking, so I've gone with the black and it does look absolutely stunning. I have actually already got a video up that I posted last summer for the blue version of this watch if you want to check it out, but this is the two-tone and I think it just looks so much better. This is an excellent all-round summer watch. I will say a couple of things just about the movement though, because I've been using these watches now for well over a year. I do have, with one of my Paganis, I do have an issue with that it's not keeping the time at all, you know, reasonably well. But I have probably over 10 to 15 Pagani watches and that is the only one that I've had an issue with. So maybe I can take it to a watchmaker, but I don't know. It's basically losing like 3 or 4 minutes a day. I don't know if that's because I need to go inside the movement somehow and fully wind it. I have tried fully winding it and for some reason on this, not this watch, it's actually on the 1651. But I have 3 colour variants of the 1561 and that is the only one that I have an issue with. But this is the 1639, so this is actually the 43mm version. So obviously this is a heftier watch. It will be too big for some people, but I like the look of and the presence of a bigger watch, because one of my favourite watches right now that I'm wearing is this Victorinox, and you can see these are very similar sized. They're both 43 nominal. The Pagani will actually be thicker. Yeah, it is definitely thicker. But notice how the crystal is proud of the bezel by probably about 0.5 mm there. So that accounts for some of the thickness, but just look how thick. Look how thick the sides, the actual case body is. Quite thick that. But I know they are super comfy on these oyster style 3-link bracelets. So I'll get you a review up. I've ordered the root beer homage, which is a GMT. I've ordered the Pagani Seamaster homage in black. I can't wait for that to come, because that's actually, this is 41mm, but that one is 42mm. So I've got loads of stuff coming up to review. That's good. A little bit of back play, but that is quite good. Quite easy to turn, but looks absolutely stunning. Thanks for checking this unboxing out. I'll get you a review up soon. There's loads more reviews coming up. Have a great day while the weather's nice. Stay safe. Thanks.